The Xreal One and Viture Pro are two advanced smart glasses that have emerged on the market as part of the growing trend of wearable vote, augmented reality AR, and mixed reality MR devices. Both aim to offer immersive experiences for entertainment, work, and gaming, but they differ in several key aspects that may sway your decision depending on your needs. In this comparison, we'll examine the design, performance, features, compatibility, and other factors to determine which is better suited for various use cases. Overview: Xreal One versus Viture Pro. Xreal One and Viture Pro are two leading devices in the augmented reality AR and mixed reality MR space. The Xreal One focuses more on providing a lightweight, portable AR experience with a focus on media consumption and gaming. While the Viture Pro aims to deliver a more immersive, VR-like experience for those seeking a high-quality display and gaming features. Xreal One, known for its portability and comfortable design, the Xreal One offers a unique experience where users can project screens and enjoy AR experiences by leveraging a wide field of view. It focuses on content consumption, including streaming and mobile gaming. Viture Pro. The Viture Pro is more aligned with the concept of a portable, personal theatre. The device combines both virtual reality VR and AR capabilities to immerse users in a wide range of experiences, primarily designed for gaming, streaming, and VR content. Design and comfort. Xreal One Cologne. The Xreal One has been designed to resemble regular eyeglasses, making it an ideal choice for users who need a stylish and lightweight option. Weighing just around 79 grams, it's significantly lighter than many other AR and MR devices, ensuring comfort even after prolonged use. Its minimalist design makes it easy to wear for long durations, and it comes with a flexible, adjustable frame that ensures a snug fit. Material. The Xreal One features a lightweight frame made from flexible materials like titanium and plastic. Adjustability. It offers adjustable nose pads and temples for a customizable fit. Portability. The glasses can fold up, making them easy to store and carry around. Viture Pro Cologne. The Viture Pro is bulkier compared to the Xreal One, resembling traditional VR headsets more closely. The design is robust, and while it might not be as sleek as the Xreal One, it focuses more on delivering comfort for immersive experiences. Weighing around 170 grams, the Viture Pro is heavier but still considered relatively light for its class. Material. The Viture Pro uses high-quality plastic and has a premium finish, ensuring durability. Adjustability. The device features a head strap and soft padding to provide a secure and comfortable fit. Portability. While it's portable, its bulkier design may make it less convenient for casual use, especially for users who prefer something that can easily be packed away. Vertic: for users seeking something sleek, lightweight, and easy to wear throughout the day, Xreal One has the edge. However, if you're looking for a device with a more traditional VR headset feel and are willing to compromise on portability, the Viture Pro could be the better choice.